I'm a goddamn puppet, man. I'm a puppet. I'm a grown man that's a puppet. What's wrong? Oh God, what's wrong? Hey, what's up, nerds? What's up? This is Mr. Brown, and today, folks, we're gonna turn the word Naruto into Naruto. All right, there you have it, folks. That is how to draw Naruto using the word Naruto, turning words into art. So, if you like this video and you want to see more ridiculous hot garbage like this, let me know. Yeah, so in this drawing, as you can tell, I messed up the bandana. Don't tell nobody. Shh, look, I'm drawing with puppet fingers, man. Give me a break. I want to see you draw with puppet fingers. Do it. Share this, your version of this on Sketchflix, hashtag Sketchflix. I don't know, hashtag something, but share it with me on Sketchflix. I'll check it out. I'll give you a shout out. What else? Also, if you know somebody likes ridiculous puppet videos like this, I don't know what I'm saying. If you know anybody likes ridiculous videos like this, please share it with a friend. Let them know about this. What am I saying? So please, yeah, let them know. It really helps me out and it allows me to make more ridiculous videos like this in the future. So that being said, I love yous. I'm gonna go drink a half a pint of gin. So on this channel, we draw, we make stupid videos. That's what the kids want. At least that's what I think they want. I don't know what they want. They want stuff. They want stuff. I don't know. Just stuff. You wanna learn how to draw anime? Huh? Huh? Do you? Do you?